Hi, and welcome. I'm Angela Sidlow from Waves of Change Wellness, and I wanted to chat with you for a few minutes today and tell you how excited I am about an upcoming event that I would love to have all of you participate in. Some of you might know that I am an integrative therapy wellness coach, and I graduated from IIN, and I've been really passionate about helping women with hormone balance. I'm the author of Aromatherapy for Menopause Success, and I've just published a new ebook called The 12-Week Roadmap to Health and Happiness. And I know that this whole pandemic has just had us cooped up and really wanting some more richness and some more adventure in our life. So, what I've created upcoming, and it starts June 15th, it's a road trip, a virtual road trip, but a road trip nonetheless. And what we're going to do is go through the steps to achieve this beautiful roadmap for yourself to have health and happiness. And it's been a dream of mine for a long time to have this beautiful wellness center, a virtual wellness center where people can come and take courses and learn how to enrich their lives, whether it's with essential oils or nourishing foods or meditation. And all of that's beginning to take shape. And I'd love to take you on a road trip to start this. So, what is this road trip going to look like? I'm going to go through some of the steps that are going to happen here. And really, it's fun to just get in the car and go without a map. But you've got to have a destination. And the same thing is true with your health. You have to have it mapped out so that you can guarantee that you get to the right place and you're able to take road trips for a very long time. So for week one, this will be a 4-week program. We're going to meet once a week here on Zoom. And I'm going to give you lots of nourishing tips and tricks and all of the things that I've learned over the years. But the first week, we're going to focus on setting your intentions and turning those intentions into goals. We're going to also explore making subtle shifts in your food choices that include more greens. I know, we want the green light though when we take a road trip, right? We'll come back in week 2 and you'll be able to share here in this format, ask questions, and really have this sense of really being a cohesive group. Week 2 is going to be all about getting comfortable in the kitchen. I know, during this pandemic, we've been forced to be in the kitchen, but that doesn't mean we're always successful at putting together things that are nutritious and keeping our energy levels and our immune systems at their peak. We'll be doing a pantry makeover, and we're going to introduce some balance into your life. Week 3, we'll explore how old habits can sabotage your health and how to create sustainable health, how it feels to bring self-love into this part of wellness and happiness, and how it plays this integral part in building your ultimate health. We'll finish up with week 4, wrapping up our road trip with the many ways to move that beautiful body and beautify your surroundings, and then share all of that love and experience with others. Because a good road trip, you always bring back memories that you can share with family and friends. So I'm going to post a link down below. If you sign up really soon, you're going to be in on the bonuses, and the bonuses are going to be really fun. I'm going to give you 2 weeks worth of menus and recipes and shopping lists to focus on, which is really fun. And then you're going to get 2 of my guided meditations that will help you with restful sleep. It'll help build your immune system and reduce stress and anxiety. And then my other bonus I'm sharing with you is access to a 20-minute video doing some Qigong exercises, something you could either start your day or end your day with, and really increase your life force energy. And again, layer that all together with your new health and happiness. So let's get in, rev up our engines, and go for that road trip. Check out the link below and join soon. I'll see you June 15th for that wellness road trip. Thanks, everybody.